things other than this from which water comes out. You have to write the three things which water comes out. First, it is the in our home are available. It is called as the tap. Okay. Second one, it is the pipe, and third one, it is the okay water gun. Also, we can write it is the three things which water comes out. Okay. Now, next questions. Here you have name the festival in which play with colors and water. Name the festivals in which we play with colors and water. Okay, and that festival name it is the Holi. That festival name it is the Holi. Okay, I give to you some information about the Holi. Holi it is the color of Hindu. Holi is the festival of the Hindu. In ancient festival it is the and it is celebrated or it is holy harlots arrival of the after winter. After winter we celebrate the festival. Now you will be wondering ever wonder why we celebrate the Holi. Okay, Holi celebrated because it signifies the all over evil and it spreads the love of happiness and togetherness with the each others. And in Holi celebrate Holi celebrated as a festival also, but Holi celebrated before the night of Holika Dahan. We do the Holika Dahan before the Holi festive before night the festivals. In this festival, in this festival, the all peoples are in front. All peoples are stand on the in front of the bonfire and they destroyed the inner evil in our inner evil they destroy on the bonfires and they get start a new life and they spread happiness with the love and joy. And after that the next day the carnival colors which started begins the next morning where the peoples are coming on the in the street and they spread or they have a water guns and they sprinkle the water to each others and they celebrated as a Holi. It is the basic information about the Holi. I think so there is a one reason behind it. I think that king was the demons. It was the demons of Karan Kashyap. I think some name it was. Okay, now let's see the next question answers. What was Tommy doing with his water gun? Tommy had a water gun. He squirted. He was doing squirted. Why was he laughing? He was laughing because he squirted Sally on the nose and he squirted Molly on the toes. Why did he stop laughing? Because Sammy got the hose. Sammy got the hose. Hose means this is the rubber pipe. Okay. Now next. Okay. Here it is the word puzzles. Read the clues in each set. Three definitions are given. By changing vowels, you will get the exact meaning. Means here we are having some words, some nouns are here, and we have to solve these puzzles. Now let's solve the point of pencils. The point of pencil is called as the okay. The point of pencil is called as the tip. The point of pencil is called as the tip. To hit tightly is called as the tap. Or the highest point it is called as the top. Tip, tap, top. It is the homonyms words. Now you sleep on it. You sleep on it. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. Opposite of good. B-A-D. Bad. And an open flower it is called as the bird. Okay. Next one. A young dog it is called as the pet because it is an pet animal. A seed of an apple it is called as the pit. P-I-T. Pit. Short sharp sound it is called as the pitch sound. P-I-T-C-H. Pitch sound. Now next one it is the large it is called as the big. To ask for alms is called as the beggar. Alms means it is called as the alms bhiksha bhiksha. A small insect it is called as the beetle. Okay, now this is the puzzles and we did solve the all puzzles. If you something felt wrong then you can correct it. Next one, spell and write. Now SCR, we have been giving here word SCR, and we have to affix that all the words. Now SCR double EN, screen. The words will become screen. Now SCR EAM, scream. The word we will get scream. Now SCR EW, screw. SCRUB, scrub. SCR double ECH, screech. Okay, next more. THROW, throw. THREE, THRILL, thrill. THRONE, throne. Do you know the throne? It is called as the stone. Now THRUSH, thrush. Okay, I hope you might have got it this.